was high and the engine coughed. I cranked her up and the whole field scoffed. Left the cows complaining in the morning dew, just to roll that diesel slow past you. I drove my tractor past your window last night, rattling the glass with pure delight. No fancy car, no shiny suit, just a red Massey Ferguson and a heart that won't quit. I drove my tractor past your window last night. Hope the neighbors heard the romance right. If love needs horsepower, well, alright. I drove my tractor past your window last night. A sleepy grin. I tipped my cap and the headlights did a spin. Nearly took out the gatepost in pure celebration, but a dented bumper's still a declaration. I drove my tractor past your window last night, rattling the glass with pure delight. No fancy car, no shiny suit, just a red Massey Ferguson and a heart that won't quit. I drove my tractor past your window last night. Hope the neighbors heard the romance right. If love needs horsepower, well, alright. I drove my tractor past your window last night. Some boys bring flowers, some boys bring wine. I brought 3 tons of steel and a crooked line. If that's not commitment, then I'm a lost cause, but the exhaust still smells like pure applause. I drove my tractor past your window last night, rattling the glass with pure delight. No fancy car, no shiny suit, just a red Massey Ferguson and a heart that won't quit. I drove my tractor past your window last night. Hope the neighbors heard the romance right. If love needs horsepower, well, alright. I drove my tractor past your window last night.